Welcome to VSR Tech Info. This is VS Rao. In this video, I will be explaining how to make a movie using Filmora app installed in your Android mobile. Nowadays in COVID-19, there is a great need or demand to make videos and share it with your friends, groups, circles about your business requirements, or the online coaching or teaching has got a lot of requirement in making videos. The teaching staff are not doing such a thing in the past. Now there is a great demand for them to learn how to make video and post it over the net. Online classes has got a lot of requirement of making video. Filmora Go is a mobile app that needs to be installed in your Android mobile, which is very easy and convenient for the teaching staff to make their own videos and conduct online classes. In this video, I will be explaining all the features that are covered in Filmora Go. As I said, Filmora Go is very easy and convenient to make movies, which is on the go. Not many things that are required to make a movie except one Android phone and a Filmora Go app installed in Android. I will be showing with a video clip, audio clip and a photo clip and some background music, which is by default in Filmora Go, and also I will be downloading some contents that are required to make a movie. This video will be of little more length and request you to please go through the entire video to learn in making a good video. Let us begin. Let us make the video using Filmora Go. I have already downloaded the required files for making the video. I have downloaded 2 audio clips, 2 photo clips and 2 video clips and stored in this folder for making the video. Now I will open the Filmora Go app, which is installed in my Android mobile. Now let us open Filmora Go. This is the first page of the Filmora Go, which contains a circle plus button stating create new video. Let us click on this plus button. Now the various tabs video, photo, preset, Facebook, Instagram, Google are shown in this page, along with back and next buttons, which are kept on the top of the page. The left top indicates the back and the right top indicates the next. Clicking on the back, we will be taken to the first page. Now let us come back to create new video. Now under this video, I will be selecting the video clips. Here video clips are shown, which are stored in my Android mobile. Now I have got 3 video clips, out of which 2 are with background music and 1 without background music. Here for this project I will be taking 1 with background music and 1 without background music. I will be selecting first the video file with background music. this is the video file with background music. We can play here and see the video clip. Now at this point we have got the option to add this video clip to our project, go back and next. So here I will be clicking on the add button which is on the bottom right to add this video clip to our project. The video clip is added in our project. So this is the video clip which is added. Here the option is we can delete this video clip by clicking on the cross mark on this video clip file. Now I want to keep this, so I will keep this file and I will go back. Now at this point I will be selecting another video clip without background music. Now this is the file without background music. I will play here. The video is getting played. So at this point I will add this to our project. Now the project shows there are two files. So we have added two video clips, one with background music and other without background music. Now I want to add more files. So I will go back and select the photo tab. So here the folders with photos are shown in this page. So I will be opening the folder which contains the photos for this project. So from this I will be selecting two files. First file I have selected and second file I have selected. These two photos contain the bridges in the park. Now expanding the project shows the four files. Two are video clips and two are photo clips. Now so at this point of time we will select next button. This processes the video and photo clips and all the clips are placed in the timeline which is on the bottom of the screen. The clips order is first video file with background music and second video clip without background music, third one is the photo clip and fourth one is photo clip without any background music. Here the option is we can play and see the video clip. Now on the right hand side we can see that there are themes, music, transition, ratio or crop and edit tools. These are the facilities or features given by Filmora Go to edit this video clip. So first we will be taking the themes. On the left hand side you can see that none is selected at present and there are various themes like 80s, fashion, winter, Chaplin, love, concert, children, mirror. These are the themes that you can apply onto this video clip. Suppose we will apply winter. Now the video clip is being played with the winter theme applied on this clip. Since I don't want any theme applied, I will be selecting none here. This is the original video clip. Now coming to the ratio or crop, 16:9, cut sides, blur are the options that you can apply on this video clip. For example, clicking on 16:9, now it is saying 21:9 and next 1:1. Cut sides. Cut sides with a blur. See, this one is with black and this is with blur. You can adjust as per your requirement with the ratio and crop settings. Edit tools. You can trim this clip, you can add subtitle, picture in picture, you can add voiceover, you can make audio mixer, filters, overlays, elements, titles, speed, rotate, adjust, duplicate and delete are the options that you can make on this video clip. For example, let us see the trim. Now this original video clip duration is 23 seconds. Suppose if you want to trim or cut a portion of this video clip, then you need to slide this slider. Now the difference you may notice is the dull part of the video will be trimmed or cut off from the original video clip. Now here in this example, the left portion of the video clip will be cut up till 6.7 seconds. Similarly, if I move the right slider, right portion of the video clip is also trimmed off from the video clip. That is, the center portion of the video clip is only taken as a final video. Say for example, now if I want to cut the right side of the clip, then I have to place this to the portion where I need to cut the video clip. So now the video will be played up till 20.8 seconds only. Suppose if you want to play full, then adjust accordingly. When all is set, you have to click on the OK button, which is on the right top of the screen. If you don't want to apply any changes you have made, then you need to click on the cancel button, which is on the left top of the screen. And also there is a button which is a slider button called reverse. When you put this on, then the video will be reversed. You need to wait till this is processed and the video clip will be playing in reverse direction. Now let us play this. So I will say normal, and I don't want to apply any changes that I have made to show you, so I will click on cancel. This is the original video clip which I am interested. Now if you want to add a subtitle, click on subtitle, and now if you see, there is a plus button on the left bottom. Click on here and you can tap to add title, and there are like different forms like Star Wars, glitch, flash, TT, typer, fade, random, scaling. These are all the options you can choose from the left hand side. At present none is selected. Now clicking on this text, and you can add your own text. I will say flower. Flower is a keyword I have selected for the subtitle, and you can adjust the font also. So the suitable font, whatever you like, you can select from here. And example, I like this font. Then the color of the font also you can select. So there are three methods: simple, multi-vertical and multi-horizontal. In the simple, whatever color that comes in this circle will be the color of the text. For example, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. So whatever color you select from here is the text color. Now multi-vertical, the shade of the color is varied in vertical fashion. Now see, now I will select multi-horizontal. In multi-horizontal, the color is varied in horizontal. Say for example, I want to take one color. This one is a horizontal color. Now say for example, I want to select this. I will say OK. Now the size of the text is very small. You can adjust the size according to your need by selecting these arrows, and also you can move the text to whatever part of the screen you are willing to have this text. Now if you want to make still bigger, you make it still bigger. And click on OK if you feel this is the final one. And you can also apply the fade, random, zoom, all the options you can try using this Filmora Go. Now since I don't want to apply anything here, I will click on cancel. Now comes PIP. PIP is picture in picture. Clicking on PIP, you can add with a plus button, and say if you want to add another photo, then click on this photo, and this will be applied as picture in picture. You can adjust this picture and place it on the screen wherever you wish. This will be the picture in picture. Let us play and see. See, this is the picture in picture what I have kept, and I will click on cancel and go back. Now voiceover I cannot demonstrate to you as I am using the microphone of the Android mobile, but I will show you how to make a voiceover. This clip is having only background music, but it is not having any voice recorded. So if you want to make any voice to add into this video clip, you have to click this voiceover. Then tap to record button with a microphone symbol is displayed at the bottom of the screen. When you tap this button, then the microphone will be activated, and whatever you say or you record into the microphone will be recorded in this video clip as voice over. Then if you are satisfied, you can click on OK button to embed this voice in the video clip. Now I will go back by clicking the cancel button. Now audio mixer. By clicking on the audio mixer, you will be shown the 3 audio volume controls, wherein the first one is the audio that is attached to the video clip itself, and the center one is the music audio file, and the third one is voiceover audio file. Now since this video clip is having the audio file attached to it, you can adjust the volume of this audio file. Let us play this and see. So if you want, you can reduce, or if you want, you can increase the audio volume according to your taste. If you have a background music attached to this video, then you can increase this slider also. And since there is no voiceover, I cannot show you this voiceover clip. Now going back by clicking on the cancel. Filters. You can apply different filters to this video clip by clicking on this filters. Now there are 15 presets shown here. At present none is applied. Now I will click on preset. The presets already shown here are holiday, golden, violet, cross pro, charcoal, BW, dandy, bloom, wheat, faded, grey, etc. Now we will try 1 or 2 filters by applying on this video clip. Now I will apply holiday. This is the holiday filter applied onto this video clip, and the strength of this filter is indicated at the left side of the screen. Now it is shown 100%. We can adjust this filter strength by sliding this slider, and you may notice that the video clip is adjusted or altered to the filter strength. Now I will select the golden filter. As you are seeing that the golden filter is applied, you can adjust the strength of this filter by wearing the slider. Likewise, grey, Laguna, sunny, caramel, all these filters you can try in your videos. Now I will click on cancel and go back. Now the next one is overlays. In overlays, again there are 12 presets provided. Now first preset will be winter 1. Now winter 1 overlay is applied onto this video clip. Now I will try with winter 2. Winter 2 overlay is applied. Likewise, you can choose various overlays provided to make your beautiful video. This is the film overlay applied, and there is a button which is a slider stating that apply all. When you say apply all, then whatever the overlay you have selected, it will be applied to all the video clips. Now since we don't want, I will not select this apply all, and also I will not select this overlay. I will go back by cancel. Now elements, there are 8 elements preset provided in Filmora Go. At present it is none, so I will select stars. Now you can see the elements stars are displayed on the video clip. If I select leaves, fog, balloon, plane, arrow, heart, so these are the presets provided. I will not select now, I will go back using cancel. Now the next one is titles. So clicking on titles, there are 16 presets: romance 1, romance 2, particle 1, particle 2, winter, and so on. These are all the titles you can choose in Filmora Go. Now for example, I will select particle 2. Now this says tap here, tap to add title. I will say title as demo video, and I will say OK. So demo video is being displayed. Okay, for this I want to keep, and I will say OK, and when I play, my project contains demo video particle applied. Now next comes the speed. The speed of the video played can be controlled using this button. It is shown here, a normal speed is selected, which is 1x. If you want, you can make it fastest. Fastest is 4x. The video is played in much higher speed. And likewise, if you want, you can select slow, slower, and slowest. For example, slowest is taken now. It is very slow motion. Slower is half times. 3/4 time is slow, and this is the normal speed. The speed of the video is normal now, which is 1x. You can increase or decrease the speed. Fast, faster, and fastest is the increasing speeds. Slow, slower, and slowest is the decreasing speeds. Now if I select faster speed, then the video is now playing in faster pace. Slower speed, the video is now playing at half speed. Still slow, that is slowest, 1/4 time of the speed is being played. So likewise, you can adjust the speed of the video which is being played. I will select it as normal, then click on OK. This is about the speed. Now next comes is the rotate. Rotating the video clip. So rotate L. This is rotating the video clip the left direction. Rotate right. Flip horizontal and flip vertical. This is flip horizontal, flip vertical. So since I don't want to alter anything here, I will click cancel. Now adjust. Here using adjust you can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, temperature and vignette of the video clip. Click on bright and adjust the brightness of the video clip according to your requirements. Likewise, contrast, saturation, sharpness and temperature of the video can be adjusted using this slider. Now if you are okay, then press on the OK, which is on the right top. I don't want to alter anything here, so I will press reset and cancel. Duplicate will duplicate this video clip, and if you don't want, you can delete this video clip using delete. Here one more thing I want to show is manage. By clicking on the manage, you can adjust the buttons which are placed on the bottom of the screen, like trim, crop, subtitle, pip, etc. Now if you remember, trim is the first one, crop is the second one, and third is the subtitle. Now clicking on the manage, if I want to bring pip as a top, then I will click pip and bring it on the top. And I want voiceover as a second one, I will click on voiceover and bring it on the second place. Then I will press OK. Now if you see, pip is the first one, voiceover is the second one, trim is the third one, crop is the fourth one, and likewise. Now we will revert back this voiceover, pip, and say OK. Now I have brought back to the original fashion. And one more thing you may notice, for the video clip, the first one is the trim clip and audio mixer is shown, but wherein for the photo clip it is different. I will show you when I will make a photo clip. And also on the left bottom, clip 1/4 is shown here. You can adjust this by pulling it down or clicking on the top. So now 2/4, that is second video clip, is shown here, which is now being played. Clicking here is now third. This one is the photo clip. Now if you see, for a photo clip and video clip difference, this is the video clip and the first one is the trim clip. Now if I select a photo clip, then the first one is the duration. There is no trim appearing on the buttons. As for photo, the trim requirement will not come. The duration of the clip, so this is 5 seconds by default. If you want to increase it, maximum you can increase by 10 seconds. Say for example, for this video clip I want 10 seconds. I will press OK. Now the duration of this video clip will be 10 seconds, as you are seeing on the slide itself. And crop is, you can zoom, pinch, drag to resize the video or picture. So you can zoom it to your requirement. Say I want to zoom a particular image on this clip, then I will select by zooming it. Or you can place by dragging. Likewise, I want to zoom this bridge. Now if I say OK, then my video only bridge will be zoomed and it is only being played. Now for example, I want to go back. I will say I will select the entire clip, then I'll say OK. Now if I play, so bridge along with the background greenery is all displayed in this for 10 seconds. As usual, voiceover, picture in picture, subtitle, filters, overlays, elements we have seen while making the video clip are all there for making this photo clip. You can adjust these video clips by just dragging and placing them as per your requirement. Now the third position photo clip I have moved to the first position, and the last position photo clip I am moving to the second position. Now I will say OK here. Now the order is rearranged. Now the first one is the photo clip without any background music. Now if I want to add a background music, I will select music, then I will say add. These are the presets provided by Filmora Go. If you want, you can select anything from this, or if you have any downloaded from the downloaded, or if you have from my library, you can select from my library, or you can say scan music and locate your file. So for example, I will try to find my folder which is kept here. Filmora video files, bird singing and bird creeping. These are the two files which I have selected for making use in this video. Now for example, bird creeping file I will select here and say start scan. One file found. OK. Now this bird singing file appeared in this file list, so I have to select this bird singing, and the bird singing file is being played here, which is of duration 53 seconds. Now to apply this, press OK. Now this bird creeping file is added to this photo clip, and when you say play, this will be played in the background of this photo clip. Since I am using the same mobile, you may not hear this background music in this video. Now if this is OK for your project, then press OK. So I have shown themes, I have shown how to add background music to your photo clips or video clips. I have shown how to add voiceover, and I have shown how to edit video or photo clips. Okay, so ratio, crop also we have seen, edit tools we have seen, and transitions. Now clicking on the transition, for every video or photo clip, in between there is a plus sign with a circle. This plus sign with a circle is for the transitions. There are 19 presets provided by Filmora Go. At present, none is there. Now to add the transition, click on this plus and click on the preset, and say for example, I will be selecting like lot of transitions: black and white, pixelate, fisheye, expansion, division, bounce, distort, rock, camera, roll, push, bands, dissolve, wipe, split, shutter, zoom. These are the transitions. So for example, shutter transition I will take. The shutter transition is applied, which indicates with a back and forth arrow. Now coming on from the first slide, or the clip. When I play back, we may notice the transition when the clip changes. See, shutter transition has been applied and shown here. Now if you want to apply this shutter transition to all, it is very simple. Just apply all, then this transition will be applied to all these video clips. Now if you want to apply a different transition, then select the plus which is not having any transition and select or choose a different transition. Now I will select transition something like roll. Now roll transition is applied for the second one, and for the third one I will still select one more variety, that is distort. Now if I play back from the beginning, after this first photo clip, a shutter transition will be shown now. Then after the second clip, one more transition has shown, and after this second, the third transition will be shown, which is distort. If you are okay with these transitions, then click on OK, and this will be applied to your project. And once this is over, then you may choose to save this project by clicking on save, which is on the top right side. Now I will click on save. This is saving the project, and the file is being played at the background. Now the project saving is completed and the video is exporting. You can save this file. You can also preview by pressing preview. When you are satisfied with the video, then you can save to the camera roll. You can send it on Instagram, upload on YouTube, send it via WhatsApp, Facebook, Vimeo, email, etc. And the duration of this video is 53 seconds. Modified date and time is shown, and the size of the video file is also displayed on this project window. So there is also the option for more. You can share more using the options provided here. The project is stored in My Projects as shown in this screen, and you can edit this by pressing the edit button, which is a pencil button, and you can share this video file, and you may delete this project video file. The length of the video file and the size of the video file along with the date modified is shown in My Projects here.